Direct replacement. This ignition lock cylinder matches the fit and function of the original equipment assembly on certain vehicle years, makes and models. Secure solution. This cylinder retains the anti-theft functions of the original equipment design on specified vehicles. Easy installation. Replacement is relatively simple and requires no special tools. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of engineers and inspectors in the United States. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Ignition lock cylinder worn out, making turning your key difficult or impossible. This direct replacement properly restores operation while maintaining the same level of security as the original equipment design. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Great price and quality, recommend to my customers. Easy to install and great quality, recommend to my customers.